I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life. We are going to make our first stop to check out a new bathroom renovation. It is in dire need of our help. Apparently, the toilet's not flushing properly. That's not good. We're all about the before and after today. This is the before of my filthy car. Everything looks better clean. Let's check it out. Oh, we got a wobbly, flobbly door here, okay? Nope. Oh my gosh, this door is completely falling apart. So we're gonna need a new door. Well, that's interesting. That's not even 60 inches. That is a 59-inch tub. That is really unrewarding. So yes, I have just confirmed there is an issue with the toilet. When I look at a bathroom like this bathroom really needs to be renovated. So the goal is, how do we make it better? How do we move the needle on the overall bathroom experience? This is a single bathroom in a house of 4 people. So this needs to be efficient. It needs to work. And right now, it's not totally working and it's definitely not pretty. So we're gonna work to invest as little as we can, to move the needle as far as we can, to create a really dramatic difference. That is my plan. How do you do that? Rule number 1, do not relocate the plumbing. So we are going to leave the plumbing where it is. We're gonna leave the toilet where it is, sink stays where it is, shower stays where it is, and that is it. And then essentially, we're just gonna redress it. And you're not gonna believe how different this little bathroom can look, strictly through the magic of decor. So we've got a little nook there. I think maybe we can do something with storage. So the question is, can those people over there see out their window? Because if those people can see out their window, I'm feeling like we need to not be able to see out this window. Why are these dogs wearing glasses? This is a shower curtain, I don't understand. Anyway, we're gonna need a bar that doesn't have tape on it. Now we have a storage situation here. And this is a lot of storage. So maybe we should just think about replacing these doors, because this is amazing storage. And when you have amazing storage, you really don't want to give it up. So here's the good news. About 200 square feet of tile in total is needed for this bathroom. Small bathroom. So when we're thinking about a small amount of tile, we want it to make a big impact. I want to think about what we can do that is really going to make this bathroom look beautiful, even though it's small. It's small does not mean it has to be uninteresting. Some of the smallest people I know are the most interesting. You know who I'm talking about. What's on sale? I'm renovating a small family bathroom.
Everything's
on a budget. Everything's on sale. The only tile store I ever come to, because everything is on sale. You need a glue gun. I could just do a little DIY while I'm here and a fixture tile display. This is always nice.
It's nice. It's just basic, right? Polished
Yeah.
stone, Carrara. We can do white gloss and then cut into a band.
So you can do this on the floor?
Yeah, no problem.
We need bathroom floor and we need the shower walls.
Right.
And continuing around. So it's a small space, but I think it should also still be gorgeous.
Yeah, it'd be nice, of course.
Everybody loves cement tile. If it's a full-time, heavy-use, single-family bathroom, it's not the best choice because it needs care and maintenance. So your other option is to go with a patterned porcelain tile. The difference here is this is super durable. I just don't know if I super love it because it seems a little bit washed out. The printed porcelain just doesn't have the same feel as the cement tile. So that's a bit tricky, but we'll still consider it. You never know, depends what the client loves. When it comes to the choice of whether to spend $8 a square foot here or $20 a square foot here, I personally think it's worth the investment and the extra money. to get the look and the feel of stone because it feels so nice underfoot. And this is matte, this is honed, and I really love it. You can do this hex. This is porcelain, super durable. The white is not white enough for me. Oh yeah, that's better. Is the price different?
More like around the same price.
Okay.
But the white is crystal. Porcelain also, good for the floor.
You can have those back.
Yeah.
This is nice. Now I'm tempted by this. This is sort of fun. For me, it's probably between
Those two.
those two. Then for wall tile, that's really nice. What I would save if I don't do stone on the floor, I go with
With a higher end, I'll get that. Yeah.
right?
You can go with the higher end.
Mid-price
Right,
on both.
mid-price, right.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Goes with nice
Okay,
gray.
so I need a sample of that.
I'm gonna give you 2 or 3.
Okay,
Ring.
2 or 3 is good. Because guess what? More is more. Everybody knows 3x6 classic subway tile. You can never go wrong. What's neat about this is this has an indented, beveled pattern in it. So it gives it additional texture, and I think that gives it a nice lift. And always important to understand whether there are coordinating pieces that go with it. So check this out. These are the wall tiles, and here we have all the coordinating pieces. So if you want to add a listello, which is one of these little pieces, you can. If you want to install a wainscot and you need a chair rail cap, we have these pieces. So what I could do is I could insert a nice little black listello within this white tile. That would be nice. Success!